all-natural homemade cream for arthritis and joint pain. Chronic and recurring pains in the knees, shoulders, back, wrists, and other parts of the body may be symptoms of arthritis. The most common form of arthritis occurs when our joints are inflamed. The most common symptoms of arthritis are constant pain, swollen joints, and stiffness throughout the body. It can also be extremely difficult to perform certain movements. After consulting your doctor to determine the true cost of your mobility issues, you should understand that there are many natural remedies to treat the symptoms of arthritis. Let's learn how to make a homemade oil to help treat the pain, swelling, and stiffening of your joints. The ingredients in this recipe contain specific substances that act directly on the reversal of inflammation in our bodies. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. This ingredient contains substances such as capsaicin that relieve pain and act to protect the health of sensory nerves. 2 tablespoons of the mustard seed with thermogenic properties. Mustard seeds heat the affected area, facilitating blood flow. 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. Apart from being one of the most famous natural anti-inflammatories, gingerly removes substances that cause pain and swelling of the tissues. Therefore, it's the most important element in this recipe. It can't be replaced with ginger powder or any other processed option. 250 milliliters of cold-pressed sunflower oil. It's rich in vitamin E, in addition to possessing strong anti-inflammatory properties. It will be used to activate ginger. The cold-pressed version is sold in health food stores or online. Don't confuse it with the everyday variety sold in supermarkets. Instructions: simply mix all the ingredients in a sealed, preferably airtight, glass vial and let it sit for a week. After that, strain the mixture and store. You can either swap the original bottle for another one or simply wash the original bottle before storing it. Use this oil to massage the affected area, relieving the pain in your joints, muscles, back, and other areas of the body affected by arthritis. Remember that this oil is a natural and supplementary remedy. Therefore, you still need to consult a specialist to discover the cause of arthritis and properly treat it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.